break that down. Right, left, right, da, da, da. All right. Hello again, everyone. Hey, everyone. Tony Winston here, Jazz Piano College. I'm always looking for blues songs to teach to my students. Lately, I'm just tired of teaching the generic blues in C, and so I've been looking for good songs that, we can apply some of what we've learned. So one song is Maria Ball playing Red Beans, and I think it was originally done by Professor Longhair. And I'm going to play a little bit along with the recording here, see if I can get away with that. But I'm going to show you a little bit of what you can do on the piano. It's in the key of G. So it's a straight rhythm, not a shuffle rhythm. So you can just do this. All right, so we got the turnaround like this. And the bass line is really going like this, which you can also do, but I'm going to keep it to the what we call the chop here. All right, so that's G, all right, and then C is the same. Back to G. When we go up to D, make sure you put that black key in the middle there. Down to C. G. All right, so pretty simple, but there's a nice thing that they do in here that goes like this. Got my red beans cooking. I got my red beans a-cooking. I got my red beans cooking. I'm gonna give you some. So let me show you that little horn line in there. It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me break that down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit this one first, then here, then back here, then both of those there, and then back to here. So right, left, right, like that. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. Da, da, da. All right, same thing up on C. Right, left, right. Let me do that again. Together. Right, left, right. And then. All right. She does some really nice piano riffs in it. Stuff like. That's just my own solo there, but it's kind of like what she does. Of course, she goes up and uses more of the keyboard there. But this is not really about taking a solo. However, that's kind of the more major key blues scale. You get a lot of good stuff out of that, but also that's kind of the more minor blues scale, but they both work equally well, and you can mix them all together too. All right, let's try to play just a little bit with it here, and I'm just going to do a little bit because otherwise the copyright police will be after me. love that da-da-da. It reminds me of a Freddie King song, Wonder Why. All right, the other song I've been listening to, I don't think it's right for students because they do it in the key of A flat, but I'm going to cover that in the next video, and it's Merle Haggard's Working Man Blues. Until we meet again, mind how you go.